Do you struggle to stick to a routine or even know where to start? Well, there is one app specifically designed to help you create and stick to routines. In this video, we are going to focus on a morning routine because that's the most impactful routine for your entire day. We're going to explore some routines from successful people like Oprah Winfrey, Tim Ferriss, and I even going to share with you my own routine. If you are here, you probably know how important it is to start your day right, even if it's just 10 minutes. Having a morning routine to follow can increase your focus, reduce your stress, and it really sets the tone for the entire day. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to download the app. So you just need to go to the Apple Store and type Routinery. And it's going to show up this yellow icon. That's the logo for this app. And then we're going to start exploring some routines. Once you are here, you can go to the Explore tab and you're going to find different routines to explore. So there is self-care, that girl, stoic man, jogging, and you're also going to find different routines. If you are a mom, you can find routines for your family and your kids. If you have pets, whatever your goal is right now, I'm sure you're going to find a template right here. All right, so once that is done, we're actually going to start creating your routine. I always start with a domino habit, the habit that sets the tone for everything else. So what is the habit that if you only do that one, it will impact everything else? For me, that is doing a morning workout when I wake up, because that's gonna help me just get ready for the day. It will give me more energy. It's gonna make me feel more focused. It's gonna improve everything else. And once I go to the gym, it kind of make everything else easier. So pick your domino habit. That can be anything. That can be drinking water, making your bed, but it's just that trigger that tells you, okay, we are starting now. I also like to pick habits that are gonna nourish my body, soul, and mind. So for my body, that can be any kind of movement, that can be drinking water, that can be doing some stretches. For my mind, that can be reading a book, that can be writing. For my soul, that can be practicing some gratitude, Bible study, or anything that really nourishes your soul. So let me first show you my routine right now. This is how it looks like. It's called Morning Glow. I start at 4 a.m. I know that is early, but I've been doing this for such a long time and I go to bed early too. So I go to the gym, that's the first thing that I do. And even if I don't go to the gym, I always start my day with some kind of movement. So that can be a walk, that can be doing some stretches. Once I get back to the gym, I sit on my desk and I do morning pages. So if you see my journal, I can't really show you what's in it, but that's what I do. I sit down, I write 3 pages a day. Next, I also, on my desk, I will read a chapter of a book. That is the book that I am reading right now. The chapters are very small, so it's quite easy to read. I also do Bible study. I actually got this one from Brazil, and I only read 1 page a day. I like to get dressed to work, even though I work from home. And then that's my morning routine done. Okay, now let's go ahead and create your routine. So if you click on this plus button, you're going to name your routine. So let's just say Morning Glow. You can select the dates that you want to do this routine, when you want to start, what time. So let's say that is a 5 a.m. routine. You can also set a reminder if you want to. So your phone is going to send you a notification every day. And it automatically gives you some habits to add if you want to. So let's say I want to add meditating. I want to add showering, reading, and you can also create one habit. So let's say you want to add writing. So you want to do some writing. You can select for how long you want to do this habit. Maybe it's 15 minutes. And then that automatically adds that to your routine. press and hold, you can select the order that you want. So let's say you start the day with a meditation, then you do some stretching for your body, then you're gonna do maybe some, you're gonna do some reading for your brain and for your mind, and then you just have a shower and have breakfast. Once you are happy with the order, you can just press play, and that's gonna automatically start the routine for you. So let's say that's a new day, you are starting your routine, it's gonna start counting the time, and you can pause if you need to pause. You can press play once you finish. So let's say you finish meditating, you just press play. So it's gonna automatically move to the next habit, and then that's how it goes. So let's say you don't have time for writing today. So you're just gonna press this arrow, and you can change the order of the habits. You can move this task to an end, or you can just skip. Let's skip this one as well, and that's it. So let's say you finish your routine. Once you finish, you can download the image, you can post on your stories and tag me at Leticia Americo. I would love to see how your routine looks like, and I also love to share my routine on my stories as well. I get a lot of questions about pricing, if this is free, if you have to pay to create your routine, and the answer is the app is free. However, you can use up to 2 routines. If you want to add a new routine, you're gonna have to upgrade it to a paid account and pay a subscription. But usually I use this app a lot when I am starting a new routine, so that helps my brain to make sense. And if you are on your phone right now creating your routine, don't make the mistake of just copying someone else's routine without even thinking about what you are really working on. So your routine is something deeply personal. It's something that is linked to your goals, to your values, and it's something that it needs to have a purpose, it needs to have a reason, because otherwise you're not gonna do it. And most important of all, it has to be fun for you. So how can you add something fun in your routine that actually makes you look forward to? I love to study, I love to read, so sometimes when I get bored, I just put a study time on my morning routine, or I just change some things a little bit. So make sure it's fun for you. If this video was helpful, leave a like below and subscribe to my channel so this video can reach other people and help them build their own routines too. The link to download the app is in the description, so maybe if you know someone that is struggling to get their routines organized, you can just send this video to them. If you are looking for a goal planner that helps you execute and achieve your goals, go and watch how I plan and achieve all my goals using the 12-week year in Notion.